How to install EPS module tutorial. Unscrew the heatsink. The heatsink, once disconnected, looks like this. Now remove the LED assembly from the heatsink and replace it with the one from our EPS module. Then, connect it as shown in the video. Peel off the adhesive tape and stick it in place. Repeat the same process for both cables. The cable box is marked with L or R, indicating the installation side. Left or right, connect the other end of the cable to the headlight assembly. The wheel arch cover was removed for easier access, although this step is not required. Now, test the first module to ensure it functions correctly. The test was successful. Now, put everything back in place and try to hide the cables neatly. Reconnect the cable to the headlight again. This is for the other side. Now enjoy your new EPS modules. 3 flashes. Switches the lights from yellow to white with animation. 5 flashes. Switches the lights from yellow to white without animation. 7 flashes. Activates strobe mode, where the lights flash in either white or yellow. To change the color in strobe mode, flash 7 times again. To turn off strobe mode, flash 9 times.